Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another unboxing to do today for this Thursday, the 5th of July. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. You made it through the weekend. Alright, with the holiday extension. It feels like a Sunday. But this is a special unboxing to do. We did one earlier, I think last year. So, this is from HorrorPack.com. A collection of horror movies delivered every month to your door, into your mailbox. And they got Blu-rays. I'm not sure about 4Ks, but DVDs. There we go. Let's see what we got. Oh boy. See, here's some Blu-rays. We got The Bell, or Devil. Psycho Supernatural Chiller. Oh boy. Oh man. D-Box. I'm not sure what that D-Box is. And next one we have. What is this? The Editor. Oh boy. Better watch out for them. DVD and Blu-ray combo. Nice. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa. Scary. So kiddies, ask your parents. Definitely check them out. And this is a special one. Pieces. Grindhouse. I heard of them when I was working at the days at Family Video, but never watched any of these. Limited edition Blu-ray. Oh boy. Or pack. And the final one. Hansel and Gretel Get Baked. Whoa. 420 is not for a while. Oh boy. Should be an interesting movie. Oh, Men in Black too. That was an okay one. And don't know her. Nope. No clue. Oh, really cool. Check them out, YouTubers. Like I said, link will be down below. If you guys are interested in signing up, feel free. And that's it. Check them out, HorrorPack.com. And YouTubers, be safe and